You see groundbreaking new medical devices come through your doors every day. But you've probably wondered, if manufacturers can build something that looks like it comes from the future, why are their repair and service models stuck in the past? Think of the hassles you go through to get a device serviced. You start with a little troubleshooting, but you'll inevitably end up dialing the vendor's crack team of customer service reps. Oh, surprise, surprise, they have no idea how to fix your device. And guess what? The vendor won't allow you to fix it. Or if they do, you'll have to pay out the nose to get certified, to work on your own device. But more likely than not, they're going to make you send it in, which is going to cost you. That means a call into purchasing to request a purchase order, which sets off a flurry of phone calls and emails. Is there money in the budget? Which cost center is it coming from? Who needs to sign off on it? Did we get all the approvals? Once you get the approvals, you pack up the device and send it off. They keep you waiting for a couple of weeks, and then you get another call. Surprise, surprise, they discovered additional problems, which means another costly round of purchase order ping pong. And you know what happens 12 months to the day after you purchase your device. Like clockwork, the calibration reminder starts flashing. So you contact the vendor, and surprise, surprise, there's suddenly something wrong with your device. And surprise, surprise, it's really expensive. So if you're sick of surprises and sick of getting fleeced every time your device needs service, it's time to switch to Diagnostics. They've ditched the annual service maintenance agreement and the fine print that comes with it and replaced it with the industry's leading warranty. Simply put, you won't pay a dime for parts or service for 5 years, and that puts you in the driver's seat. Take the U-Scan, the world's first AI-driven bladder scanner, for example. If it needs service, just call the support hotline. You'll troubleshoot with a seasoned biomedical engineer, someone who's been in your shoes and who knows your scanner backwards and forwards, from its inner workings to its cutting-edge artificial intelligence. If you need new parts, a free replacement component is just an overnight shipment away, and you'll never need a special certification to work on the equipment we make. Econos is dedicated to helping you improve patient care, which is why they don't just build the best purpose-driven AI-powered devices. They've completely ditched the old medical device service model to give you comprehensive ongoing training, unparalleled service, and no repair or service costs for 5 years. And it's all backed by a no-hassle, no-fuss, no fine print warranty that's as innovative as the platform it backs. And that's saying something. Ready to join the revolution? Visit Econos.com today.